To deploy the different components, I've provisioned a DCOS cluster with 13 private agents and 1 public agent. This cluster has been set up in strict mode. This mode provides the most robust security posture. For example, TLS is required and enforced in this mode. Strict mode is only available in DCOS Enterprise Edition. I'm now launching a script to deploy everything I need. This script deploys HDFS with high availability, Kerberos and TLS. We can follow the status of the deployment using the DCOS CLI. After that, the script deploys a ZooKeeper service that will be used by Kafka, again with high availability and Kerberos. Then it deploys Kafka with high availability Kerberos and TLS. Finally, the script deploys Spark with Kerberos and creates a Kafka topic. Deploying all these components with high availability and security could take weeks without DCOS. I can now use SPAM and HAM dataset to create a model using Spark. This model is securely stored in HDFS. Now that I have a model, I want to use it to determine if other messages are spams or hams. I generate random messages and send them to Kafka. And I start classifying the messages. I can see that Spark is consuming DCOS resources on demand. One of the benefits of DCOS is the ability to run all the workloads on the same servers. I can also easily access the logs of the different Spark jobs. As I explained previously, the model has been stored in HDFS. And messages are produced and consumed using Kafka. Now, let's go quickly through the scripts I've used to deploy the different components. At the beginning, it installs the DCOS Enterprise CLI and downloads the DCOS CA certificate. Then it deploys a KDC. In real world, you wouldn't do that and use an existing KDC like your Active Directory. It creates the Kerberos principles and the corresponding key tabs. These key tabs are merged and stored in the DCOS secret store. A service account is created for the HDFS service, and the service is deployed using options stored in a configuration file. The file contains information about the service account, Kerberos and TLS. The scripts follow the same logic for the other services. Finally, the scripts create the Spark TLS artifacts and the secret that will be used for the Spark executor authentication. The script used to create the model is leveraging the Spark extension of the DCOS CLI command. This extension is automatically installed when Spark is deployed. All the information is passed through this command line to run the Spark job. The Kerberos principle, the key tabs, the dataset, the jar file, etc. The other scripts follow the same logic. you can see all the secrets that have been stored in the DCOS secret store.